understand the description of periods, that is the elements present in different periods. There are 7 periods in modern periodic table: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n is equal to also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, the subcells are 1s, 2s and 2p, 3s and 3p, 4s, 4p, also 3d. Now for the fifth period, 5s, 5p and 4d. Now for the sixth period, we have 6s, 6p and 4f and 5d also. And in the last period, seventh period, 7s, 7p and decide with that 5f and 6d. From this, we can also write the total number of electrons. After writing total number of electrons, we can say that total elements also present in different periods, and then we will write the elements present in different periods. So first we understand total number of electrons is equal to total number of elements present in particular period. So if 1s is the subcell, then total number of electrons are 2. For the second, we can say 2s, 2 electron plus electron, 6 electrons of 2p, that is why total number of electrons is equal to 2, and that is total number of elements present in period number 2 is equal to 8, because p is 3 type of equi-energetic orbital, px, py and pz. Same way 3s and 3p, 2 electrons of 2s, 3s orbital and 6 electrons of 3p orbitals. Means here also we have total number of elements 8 in period number 3. Same way for period number 4 we have 4s, 3d and 4p. So from 4s 2 electron, from 3d 10 electron, and from 4p we have 6 electron. So total number of electrons or total number of elements present in 4th period is equal to 18. Now for the fifth one, we have 5s, 4d and 5p. So 2 electrons from 5s, 10 electrons of d orbital and 6 electrons of 5p orbital. So again we have 18 elements or 18 electrons. 6s, 4f, 5d and 6p. We have 2 electrons from 6s orbital. 4f means we have 14 electrons. 5d means we have 10 electrons and 6p means we have 6 electrons. So total we have 32 elements present in 6th period. Same way in the 7th period we have 7s, 2 plus 5f, 14 electrons plus 6d, 10 electrons and 7p, 6 electrons. Once more, 7s, 2 electrons, 5f, 14 electrons, 10 electron of 6d and 6 electrons of 7p. So again we have 32 elements. So we can say that shortest period is the first one, then these two are short, then the longest period starts from number 4 to 7. Here in the period number 1, elements present: hydrogen and helium. In period number 1, 2 elements are present, that is hydrogen and helium. In period number 2, we have Li2, Ne, lithium 2, neon. Now for the next period, that is period number 3, sodium 2, argon, sodium 2 argon. Period number 3 contains element sodium 2 argon. Now period number 4, potassium 2. Again, in the period number 4, we have potassium 2 krypton. Potassium 2 krypton. Now in the period number 5, we have rubidium 2. Period number 5 contains element from rubidium 2. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So rubidium 2, xenon. The elements present in period number 5 are Rb2Xa. Same way period number 6, that is here LiNaKRb, then CH2. Same way here, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So elements present in period number 6 are CH2Rn, and last period contains Fr87 number, 2 oxidation 118 number. So this is the description related to periods in modern periodic table. Now we will understand description of groups in modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, the columns, vertical columns are said to be groups, and there are 18 groups. 1 to 18 groups are present in modern periodic table. Group number 1, elements are said to be alkali metals. Alkali metals. And the metals, or simply we can say the elements present in group number 1 have valence shell electronic configuration NS1. So generally they lose one electron and form positive ion. Their ionization enthalpy or ionization energy is very small or very less, because they have one electron in the outermost shell, so easily they lose one electron. That is, ionization energy is very small or very less. What is ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bounded electron from a gaseous atom is known as ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. Now, group number 2. Before we understand about group number 2, here we have the elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. These are the elements present in group number 1. Now group number 2. Group number 2 elements are also known as alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals, and they have general electronic configuration NS2. So they also lose 2 electrons and form positive 2 ion. Positive 2 ion. Now, group number 3. That is not group number 3, but we can say group number 13. Once more, group number 1 and group number 2 elements are of S block. Group number 1 and group number 2. They are of S block. Now we understand group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now group number 13 elements. Electronic configuration of valence shell of elements present in group 13 is NH2NP1, means there are 3 electrons present in valence shell of elements of group number 13, and they are B, Al, Ga, In, Th and NH. These are the elements present in group number 13. Now group number 14. Elements present in group number 14 have valence shell electronic configuration NH2NP2. That is, there are 4 electrons present in the valence shell of the elements of group number 14, and group number 14 elements are these are the symbol C, Sige, Sn, Pb and Fl. Now group number 14 elements contain 4 electrons in the valence shell. Group number 15. Group number 15 is also known as nitrogen family. This is boron family, this is carbon family, same way this is known as nitrogen family. Here electronic configuration of valence shell. NH2NP3 means there are 5 electrons present in the valence shell of the elements present in group number 15, and group number 15 elements are the symbols of elements present in group number 15 is N, P, As, Sb, Bi and Mc. There are 5 electrons present in the valence shell of group number 15 elements. Now group number 16. Elements present in group number 16 is also known as chalcogen. These are also known as chalcogen element. And the elements present in group number 16 have valence shell electronic configuration NH2NP4, means 6 electrons are present in the valence shell of elements present in group number 16, and they are the symbols of elements present in group number 16 is O, S, Se, Te, Po and Lv. Now group number 17. Group number 17. This once more, before we start about group number 17, group number 16 elements are also known as ore forming. Same way, group number 17 elements also known as halogens, also known as salt forming, and the valence shell electronic configuration NH2NP5 means there are 7 electrons present in the valence shell of elements of group number 17. Group number 17 elements are Group number 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine or tennessine, TS. F, Cl, Bri, At and Ts. These are the elements present in group number 17. Group number 18 elements. Group number 18 elements have general electronic configuration or valence shell electronic configuration. NH2 NP6 leaving He. He has electronic configuration only 1s2. Otherwise, rest of the elements have valence shell electronic configuration NH2 NP6. The elements present in group number 18 are the symbols of elements present in group number 18 is He, Ne, Ar, Kr, Xe, Rn and Og. This is the group in which maximum number gaseous elements are present. This group is also known as inert group or zero group elements.